How to sign up on Paramount Plus. Hey guys, in this video, we will teach you how to sign up in Paramount Plus. But just to inform you, Paramount Plus may not be available for all regions yet. So all you have to do is you can try to look into your web browser and simply type in Paramount Plus. And if you have no option to click on sign up or log in, this application or this platform may not be available in your region yet. But no worries, in order for you to sign up Paramount Plus, if it's already available in your region, you actually have a lot of options depending on what device you're using. Either you're using your computer or web browser, your iPhone or iPad, Android, phone, tablet, or your TV, Apple TV, Fire TV, Android TV. If you're using a web browser from your computer or mobile phone web browser, simply go to paramountplus.com and then you can click on try it for free. That's a blue button. For you to choose a subscription of your plan, just click on continue and you'll be prompted to create your own account. You just need to enter your full details from your name, email address, and you'll be creating your password, and just simply click on continue to finish signing up. So make sure that you have your email address and password for you to be able to log in into your Paramount Plus account. So once you're done, you'll be prompted with the payment information and click start Paramount Plus, so you will be charged for a free trial until the free trial expires. So that's very similar to other platforms, but if you are trying to use other payments from other third party, that's a different process as well. Simply click on whatever device you're using here. You can go to Paramount Help Center and they will definitely have all the information for you. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!